Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates and price predictions for GHIBLI Coin, a promising cryptocurrency that's making waves in the market. With a new Bitget listing, strategic partnerships, and exciting developments, many investors are eyeing potential 10x gains. GHIBLI Coin has been actively working on key projects, including launching a Ghibli-themed NFT marketplace that's expected to drive demand. New partnerships with gaming and entertainment platforms are expanding its use cases, while community growth initiatives, social media campaigns, and influencer marketing are boosting awareness. The recent addition of GHIBLI Coin to more cryptocurrency exchanges is improving its liquidity and accessibility. Several factors could influence GHIBLI Coin's future value. Market sentiment. A bullish market could drive GHIBLI Coin's price higher, but a downturn may slow its growth. Utility and adoption. The more it integrates into NFT platforms, gaming ecosystems, and other applications, the higher its potential value. Technological advancements. Updates to its blockchain or smart contract capabilities can enhance investor confidence. Regulatory landscape. Changes in crypto regulations could support or hinder GHIBLI Coin's growth. Investor demand. Growing interest from retail and institutional investors could push prices upward. Let's break down potential price predictions. Short-term, 6 to 12 months with recent updates and adoption, GHIBLI Coin could reach between 10 cents and 30 cents. Mid-term, 1 to 3 years as partnerships and ecosystem developments continue, the price could rise to 50 cents to $1. Long-term, 3+ years if GHIBLI Coin achieves widespread adoption, it could potentially reach $2 or higher, depending on market conditions and user engagement. GHIBLI Coin is an exciting project with strong potential due to its unique theme and growing ecosystem. While no price prediction is certain, the ongoing developments and increasing interest suggest a positive outlook. What do you think about GHIBLI Coin's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, this is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and risky. Always conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Stay tuned for more crypto updates. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.